According to Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index, for the month of April, the index fell to 52.2 from 57 a month ago. This is the fourth lowest data back to the late 1970s. And the 5 to 10 year inflation expectation has risen to 4.4%. It's the worst since 1991. So it's very interesting to note that mid 2022 is actually the worst CPI report. The American year-over-year CPI went up to 9% during that time. But at that time, the 5 to 10 year inflation expectation didn't surge. It was at 3%. So the consumer today, without seeing a ugly CPI report, is expecting a very bad inflationary picture in the next 5 to 10 years. It's worse than COVID. And this chart shows you the 1 year inflation expectation. Right now, it's up to 6.5%. It's the highest since 1981. And there's also the interesting observation, right, in mid 2022, where CPI year over year went up to 9%. The expectation for 1 year inflation rose up to 5%. And now the CPI is down to 2.4%, and we have it at 6.5%, higher than the 2022 peak. So back in 2022, the inflation expectation was backward looking because people look at the crazy CPI report and they increase their inflation expectation, right? But nowadays it's forward looking. It's without the high CPI report, people are expecting high inflation solely based on the fear of future tariff policy and the fear of future inflation triggered by the tariff policy.